y'all? It's your girl Taylor Mayell, and I am back with another video for you. And this time we will be doing something really sweet. We're gonna be doing chocolate covered strawberries and cherries. So as y'all can see, I have it set up right here for y'all. I already pre-washed them. So whenever you get them from the store, you can get them literally anywhere. They're in season. Woohoo! Claps, claps, air snaps. I did it backwards, but that's fine. So we have a few cherries right here, and then I have strawberries here, and then also I have the 3 kinds of chocolate. So right here we have the milk chocolate, and then we have the white chocolate, and then we have dark chocolate. And also this is the brand for the dark chocolate. You can get that from anywhere, really. I just got mine from Walmart, Target. These are actually from Walmart too. This right here is specific for stuff like this. So, and yes, you always want to wash your hands before you touch anything, because you don't want the corona. Anyways, let's throw that aside. Also, I don't know if y'all noticed these, we also have walnuts. Those are going to be sprinkled down a little bit too, add a little extra topping for the crunch. Depends on the person. If you like almonds, you like cashews, you like walnuts, pecans, any of those you can buy also at the store, and the pack's already chopped up or whole, or if you even want to do it, if you really just want to mix them, you can do that too. If you're allergic, none of these chocolates have nuts in them. You want to make sure that they also say gluten-free. If you're allergic to that, you also want to make sure they say nut-free. Depending on what you buy or whichever brand you like, least expensive, it doesn't really matter. It all works the same. So we're going to get started and go ahead and we're going to start melting the milk chocolate first for about 30 seconds just to start it off. We're going to go ahead and do that. Okay, how with this thing? Ooh.
They look good.
Do they? Do they really? This chocolate nasty.
See, that's how you fucking do it. Not like real quick. The one that fucked up tastes as good as fuck. The one that looks good tastes like shit.
Right.
So since she wants to fuck up my nails, we're gonna upload her video when she fucked up the strawberries.
Yeah, but secretly it actually goes right because they're frozen right now and they're so bomb.
Yeah,
I did cherries
she
too,
forgot.
y'all.
First, she left them out in the vehicle. Then she put them in the freezer. First, they had no sugar. It was all this shit. You're gonna see on Sunday's video on her channel. Swipe up to see her channel, even though she don't deserve that shit after what she did on my toe. But we're not showing the whole thing. They go fuck
Taylor
you.
Noel YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out for this video. For these, fuck you too.
My hand is
And
white as fuck in this shit compared to you.
Go ahead and check out his YouTube channel, your boy Super TV. Go ahead and check that out and watch my prank that I did on him. Y'all gonna crack up.